So today we're going to install 16 gigabytes of RAM, DDR3 into my little bit old Lenovo machine here. First step is to turn off the power, which I've done already. And then we're just gonna undo these guys, unless they're probably on there too hard, so they are. All right, so let's take these guys out here. Keep that up there. Okay, we got our two screw plugs there. Okay, got the first one out. It is a 4 gigabyte card. Good. So the future ones double that. Should see nice improvement. Okay. Do the same thing on the top. Okay. So the barcode faces the back of the computer. We'll try to remember that when we install the next one. So here you can see about some Crucial. I think Micron is the maker of Crucial brand. Anyway, 16 gigabyte kit. Each of those sticks is 8 gigs. Anyway, never installed RAM before, or maybe I have once, but if that, then it's only my second time, but it's not particularly challenging. So you just want to not touch the gold pins. That is where all the magic happens, the connections are. So here is the new one. So again, you can see they're very similar. Looks like it should fit perfectly. So let's do it. Again, in my case, this was installed into the blue color connector. Not sure we can get our hands in there very well. All right, so once you got her lined up perfectly, it should go in a lot better. Okay, so you just push on it until it clicks. It should do her. Okay, so that's the first one. Second one, gonna follow the same process. Gonna install it into the same color as the first one so that the computer can take advantage of dual channel capability. Okay. Oh yeah, so you get a little bit better at it on the second one. Click. Click. All right. So that should be all that's necessary. Sorry if it's difficult to see. All right, anyway, let's close her up and we'll put the power back on and we'll turn on the machine. Put those back in. Second one. Luckily the covers are nice and easy to take on and off. Nice finger tight. Let's see I want to make sure the computer recognizes the RAM. Look at that. It totally does. 16 gigabytes. 1.21 gigawatts.